This is Rainbow Chaser, a 1961 Volvo Amazon street rod built by Saunders Kustoms in the late 70s and beginning of the 80s. In 1982, it debuted in Street Machine magazine and was featured in over 50 more magazines during that time. So the car's been through some pretty radical modifications. As you can see, the roof's been chopped and the glass cut to fit, and then the car, which was originally a coupe, was made into a full convertible. To accommodate that, the chassis was heavily modified and strengthened so we don't get any body twist in that. Originally on a Volvo Amazon, you'd have a round wheel arch here with a slight flare on it. These have been smoothed off now, and the fender skirts, all made in steel, which are absolutely immaculate and rolled at the bottom. A really nice touch, gives it the lead sled appearance. The car's been through 3 different phases and had 3 different paint schemes, and it also had 3 different sets of wheels. Originally she was wearing moon discs, then came the wire wheels, but now she's running 14-inch American racing alloys. The front end of this car also went through some changes. The front headlights were canted down and made into a twin. Also, we have the floating bar grille, which are actually 2 Allegro front bumpers, believe it or not. The original bumpers of this car were re-sculpted and blended into the body line. At some point the car fell into disrepair and was bought by a new owner called Johnny Munden, who extensively restored it, specifically the engine bay. All the interior was stripped out, all repainted, and then the engine was upgraded to a B20 Volvo engine. All the chrome wear and dress-up kit was added. The engine's been fully rebuilt and it drives really nice, really smooth. The seaweed effect paint scheme took many hours to mask off and still looks like it was done yesterday. Door handles have been removed along with the external fuel filler, which now resides in the boot. The rear number plate has been Frenched in and hooded. The seats have been trimmed in tuck and roll vinyl. The dash pad has been chromed along with the door tops to match. The car has been shown all over Europe, even as far as Korea. This iconic car is a piece of hot rod royalty. British hot rod royalty, that is. It's up there with the likes of Pinball Wizard and Henry High-Rise. It comes from a time in automotive history that we'll never see again. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, see you next time.